Moving on to question 3. So question 3 is a continuation of the same experiment used in question 2, so you have to do them together. The theoretical molar heat of combustion of propan-2O is reported to be 2021 kilojoules per mole. Use this information and the answer from the previous question to calculate the percentage efficiency of the experimental setup used in question 2. That is the percentage of energy released from the combustion that was actually absorbed by the water. So when we go back to the setup in question 2, I think it's very obvious that not all of the heat released from this combustion is going to actually be absorbed by the water. And the question is asking you to work out what percentage of heat release actually get absorbed. So in order to do that, basically what you can do, so percentage efficiency, this is essentially the efficiency of the setup. If the setup is 100% efficient, it means that there is no heat being lost to the surrounding. So percentage efficiency, which is the same as basically percentage of heat absorbed, you can calculate it using essentially the actual heat of combustion. So actual is a percentage between the actual heat of combustion, which is calculated from the amount of energy that is actually absorbed, over the theoretical heat of combustion, which is given to you. So theoretical heat of combustion, and then times 100. So you just get a percentage of those two. As a general rule of thumb, you want the number to be less than 100. Well, it definitely shouldn't be more than 100. So the actual heat of combustion from question 2 that is 1510.76. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to try to use exact value here. So this is from question 2. This is essentially the answer that we just get from question 2. And the theoretical value which was given to you is 2021. 2021 and then times 100. I mean, it's looking good. It's not above 100%. So I get, we're going with 3 sig I think, 74.8%. So this is the percentage efficiency of the setup, which means that 74.8% of the energy released is actually absorbed. Remember that in question 2, we assume 100%. Obviously, we have to in order to do the calculation, but in reality, only around 74.8% of the energy released from combustion was actually absorbed by the water. Which, to be fair, is not that bad. I've seen lower numbers than this. Was absorbed by the water. By the water. Okay, so that's question 3.